Hello everyone, welcome to Roti and Rice. Summer is a time for berries, and so I'm going to make a triple berry tart using blueberries, raspberries and strawberries. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to prepare a pastry dough for pies and tarts is to use a food processor. It mixes the ingredients really well with minimum intervention from us. The butter and water remains cold so that a flaky crust with layers may be achieved when baked in the oven. In this food processor, I have attached a dough blade for this specific purpose. For today's dough, I'm going to use 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup hazelnut meal, or you can also use almond meal if you prefer, and 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. For a gluten-free crust, please use 1/3 cup potato starch, or you can use cornstarch if you do not have potato starch, 1/3 cup tapioca flour, 1/3 cup brown rice flour, and 1/3 cup hazelnut meal. Then we're going to close this and pulse to combine. To this, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of cold salted butter. I'm going to pulse this again until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Now it's time to add 3 tablespoons of cold water. I think our dough is done. Now it's time to turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. And knead it until it comes together, just very lightly, because you do not want to overwork the dough or it will be tough. Wrap this in a shrink wrap. And I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our dough is sufficiently chilled and rested. Time to roll it out. I'm using a pastry mat here to make it easier to transfer to our tart pan. We want to try to get it to about a 12-inch circle to accommodate our 9-inch removable bottom tart pan. We need to invert this onto the tart pan. This is going to be a little tricky. And then peel away the pastry mat. Press the dough evenly onto the bottom and sides of the tart pan. Trim the dough to the edge of the pan and patch where necessary. Save the trim edges to be cut out into decorative topping for the tart. Prick the crust with a fork. Docking just helps to release air bubbles and allow the crust to cook evenly. Then you want to line this with a double layer of aluminum foil and place it in a 375 degrees oven for 15 minutes. I'm going to roll out the dough we saved just now and cut them into 1-inch shapes to top our tart. I'm going to use a star-shaped cookie cutter today, but you can use whatever shapes you prefer. For the filling, we have half a pound of blueberries, 6 ounces raspberries, half a pound of strawberries, hulled and quartered, half cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. If you are making the gluten-free version, please use 1 tablespoon rice flour. Then I'm going to grate about a tablespoon of lemon zest onto the berries to give it a little bit more flavor. And about a tablespoon of lemon juice to give it some tartness. I'm going to mix this all up and fill it into our tart shell. The tart shell just came out of the oven. I've reduced the temperature of the oven from 375 degrees to 350 degrees. Now we're going to fill this tart with the berries. Looks really pretty, doesn't it? And I'm going to top the tart with this star-shaped pastry that I've cut out earlier on. You can brush the top of the pastry with some egg wash to give it a shiny finish, but I'm going to place it in as is. So now I'm going to transfer this tart back into the 350 degrees oven for about 45 minutes or until the filling is juicy and gooey. Our tart is ready. It looks really pretty and smells amazing. Time to take it out of the oven. Look at this gorgeous and fragrant triple berry tart with all its ooey gooey filling. Allow it to cool before unmolding. In the meantime, do whip up some fresh cream to go with it. These removable tart pans are great. Simply support the bottom and let the ring fall through. You can then place this on a plate. Time to cut a slice to serve with that freshly whipped cream. And there it is, our triple berry tart with a sweet and juicy filling that has a hint of lemon. Do give it a try. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, and as always, happy cooking and thank you for watching.